That's right.
Eh? Where so much people gonna come from to employ in all of those buildings that me say I put up. I tell my friend, you know, when I'm coming up, I tell my friend, say, look here, you know, give Andrew the next 5 years. Jamaica gonna be the next Singapore. Yes, sir. I tell everybody on this live tonight, give Andrew the next 5 years. Jamaica gonna be a next Singapore. Crime free, economy booming, and people have jobs. Give Mr. Andrew Honest the next 5 years. You will see Jamaica like you never see it before. It's gonna be expensive too. Me not lie to you. It's gonna be expensive, but it's for the good
More
of the
vibes.
people them.